In this video we're going to look at how you can add a drop-down select menu. This is perfect if you wish to offer a selection of predefined menu options. So in this case, an email address, they can key in their own text, but perhaps maybe you want to ask for their age. Rather than having to key in, they can select from some menu choices. So let's add that to our form. To do this, just click on Content, and we can see we've got our drop-down option here. Let's click and drag, and let's perhaps drop it just below our email address. So why don't we set this up so we're asking for their age. Mouse over it and click on Edit. Okay, we can give it a title here. Let's call it Your Age. And now we can specify our menu options. Let's click on Create Menu Option. So perhaps we say the first option is under 16. Let's click Save. Okay, and let's add a second option. Click on the plus button and we can say over 16. And click Save. Okay, we can see our two menu options are set here, and when you click on the drop down menu, your users will be able to select from one of these options. You'll see the three dots icon here. This enables you to change the sort order. We can click and drag to swap it around. The Map To section here specifies what column inside your mailing list this data will be stored in. At the moment it's set to none, so information will be disregarded. If we click on it, we can specify the mailing list column that this information will be stored in. So let's select the ref field. So whatever option the user selects from here will be stored in the ref field in your mailing list. Again, we've got our force field over here. At the moment it's select to no. So if they click the subscribe button, this form can be submitted without completing this field. If we select yes, this will stop the form from being submitted unless the user has also completed this field here. When you're done making your changes, click Save and Close.